Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will walk through how to install Meta AI on Facebook. So let's dive right in. Meta AI is an AI-powered tool that can enhance your Facebook experience by answering questions, summarizing information, and even sparking creative ideas. If you're curious about how to get started with Meta AI, you've come to the right place. So open the Play Store app on your mobile. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on the Manage Apps and Devices option. After that, tap on the Updates Available option. Now here you will find all the apps that need to be updated. You can simply tap on the Update option next to the Facebook app, or tap on the Update All option in the top right corner. This will install the updated version of the Facebook app. And that's it. Now let's talk about accessing the Meta AI on your Facebook. Open the Facebook app and then tap on the search icon. With the recent update to Facebook, you might be greeted by a new prompt. Ask Meta AI anything. This revamped search bar is your gateway to the power of Meta AI. Don't hesitate to ask questions, make requests, or give instructions in natural language. Just type it in and hit enter, and Meta AI will get to work for you. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.